What's up, guys? Tony Ramirez here, and welcome to the garage. If you're into turning wrenches, fixing up cars, or just keeping your ride in top shape, you're in the right spot. I drop real-world tips, no fluff, just what actually works. So hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let's wrench smarter, not harder. All right, enough intro. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm diving into the world of steering tie rods. I'll be explaining how they operate, why they are crucial for your vehicle's steering system, and what you need to know about their maintenance. Plus, I'll give you a breakdown of the costs involved so you can make informed decisions when it comes to repairs or replacements. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking to understand your vehicle better, this video is for you. Let's get started. Find the best garage to repair your car. See garages. Your steering system is made up of various parts, such as the steering column, steering rack, steering tie rod and steering wheel. The steering tie rods are used to transmit the direction given at the steering wheel to the drive wheels. What is the role of a steering tie rod? Why change the steering tie rod? When to change the steering tie rod? What are the symptoms of an out-of-order steering tie rod? Turning the steering wheel sends a signal to the steering column, which in turn sends a signal to the tie rods to move the wheels. The tie rod consists of two parts that are designed to screw together. Find the best garage to repair your car. See garages. What is the role of a steering tie rod? Where is the steering tie rod located? The steering tie rod is located between the steering rack and the steering ball joint. It's part of your vehicle's steering system. There is one tie rod per front wheel. Why change the steering tie rod? As the steering tie rod is part of your vehicle's steering system, you need to be particularly vigilant when it comes to maintenance. If it's badly adjusted or damaged, it can lead to loss of control of your car, which is very dangerous for your safety and that of your passengers and can have very serious consequences. Find the best garage to repair your car. See garages. When to change the steering tie rod. Steering rods are not a wearing part. Most of the time, you'll only be able to check that your tie rods are in good working order and that there's no play by having them serviced by your garage. The frequency of your vehicle's technical inspection is indicated in the manufacturer's booklet. We remind you that it is mandatory to respect it. What are the symptoms of an out-of-round steering tie rod? It's difficult to detect the symptoms of worn tie rods without having a visual on the parts. If you've had an accident or violent impact, we advise you to visit your garage to have your tie rods checked. If the mechanic notices any play in the connecting rods, most of the time you'll need to adjust your car's alignment. How do I change a steering tie rod? Before you embark on changing your steering tie rods, make sure you have all the technical skills required and the right equipment, including a torque wrench and something to check your vehicle's alignment. Equipment required: torque wrench, spindles and new steering tie rod. Find the best garage to repair your car. See garages. When to change the steering tie rod. Start by lifting your car onto stanchions so you can access your car's wheels more easily. Then disassemble the wheels on which you want to change the steering tie rod. If you don't know how to remove a wheel, you can read our dedicated article. What are the symptoms of an out-of-order steering tie rod? To access the connecting rod, you'll first need to loosen the ball joint nut using a suitable wrench. Loosen the nut, then remove it completely. Remember also to remove the lock nut. You can now dislodge the connecting rod using a hammer or a ball puller. Start by giving the top of the ball joint a sharp blow, then rotate it to finish unscrewing it. Your steering tie rod is now removed. Step 4. Refit the new tie rod. Start by screwing the tie rod to the steering arm, then replace the ball joint and its axis. Now tighten the nut and lock nut. Step 5. Refit the wheel. Find the best garage to repair your car. Steering rack. Why change steering tie rod? When to change steering tie rod. Steering tie rod. Show to change a steering tie rod. Put the car on stanchion. Unscrew the remove the steering tie rod. Refit the new steering tie rod. Refit the wheel. Tariff steering tie rod. Find the best garage to repair your car. In conclusion, understanding the operation and maintenance of your steering tie rod is essential for ensuring a safe and smooth driving experience. Regular inspections and timely replacements can prevent costly repairs down the line. As we discussed, prices can vary significantly based on the make and model of your vehicle, but investing in quality components is always a wise choice. By staying informed and proactive, you can keep your steering system in optimal condition for years to come. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more automotive insights.